What's up, guys? This is my first trade on a funded account. This is my first funded account ever, so I just wanted to start documenting my journey since I'm on funded accounts now. So yeah, I took one trade today. Gonna go through that. So today, coming into the day so I've been trading MNQ, and coming into the day, I saw this um, 4 hour inversion of this gap right here, therefore telling me that we were bearish for the day. Um, Kind of just confirming bearish order flow by inverting this gap. So therefore I was bearish today. To kind of just get right into it, we had 9:30 open right here. We kind of came down immediately. I had previously had London low and Asia low marked out. We swept those kind of immediately. We got some relief here, and that's kind of where I entered my trade. So what I was looking at for today was I saw this 15-minute gap. I was like hoping that we could get a continuation out of that 15-minute gap, since I was bearish. So I was hoping we could come up, fill some orders in this gap, then go and hit, pre-day low is my main target. We also had this 5-minute bullish gap. So I was hoping that we would also respect this 5-minute bullish gap. So as you can see, if we go forward a little bit, here. So here you can see that, so we didn't quite disrespect the 5-minute gap yet. But here, I'm pretty sure we close at 10:05. So as you can see, that 5-minute gap that we had has now been inverted. So at the same time though, we came into that 15-minute gap. So it was kind of confusing. Like we came into this 15-minute gap, and we also at the same time inverted a 5-minute bearish gap. So it was kind of messy, price action. But this is kind of where, your bias comes into play. I was bearish for the day, so that 5-minute inversion I kind of ignored and wasn't looking for longs off of that inversion. I was still looking for shorts. So I saw this 15-minute gap get touched. After that, we had a 1 minute, the, we had a 1 minute fair value gap here. And so I was kind of waiting for the inversion of that gap, which we get here. So we got that 1 minute inversion. So really my entry would have been right here. I had my stop above this high right here where that 15-minute gap was. And then I had targets at pre-day low. I also marked out a break-even point, which was right here, which I'll explain a little bit. And then I had a 1RR kind of target as well. So as kind of the day goes on, we kind of come up immediately, get a little pretty damn close to my stop. But really we just touch into that 15-minute unfilled, or that 15-minute gap again. And we continue out of it once again. And yeah, price action just got kind of messy. So we did bust through my break-even point. The reason I had my break-even point right here was because we had these equal lows. As you can see, there's some equal lows right here. So I had my break-even point there, assuming we would come down to that point and potentially reverse. But yeah, I just kind of break even there, and then I had this 1RR location as well. And since I entered the trade and it was very choppy, I instead of kind of holding all of my contracts further, I took some profits at the 1RR. So I was risking about $750 today. Again, I'm just in the combine stage. It's just trying to pass it. So I was kind of just full porting, and I was risking about 750, and that was about 15 contracts, and so I took off about 5 here at the 1RR just to get some profit. And then I was break even here again, remember, after this. And so my next target was kind of like right here, honestly. I was kind of looking to, again, since the price action was a little bit choppy, was kind of just looking at taking some contracts off there, if not all of them. But we never get back there, and then I end up getting stopped out. But not long after that, we do come down and hit those areas, hit pre-day low, and yeah. So the bias was right for the day. We were bearish. Um, I feel like my trade was a little weird just because I had that 5 minute bullish inversion, and then I also had that 15-minute continuation, so it's kind of contradicting. So I guess what I could have done better is maybe wait for this retrace potentially, and look for a trade kind of here, just confirming that we do want to go bearish, bearish, and then yeah. Um, Other than that, though, I mean, I kind of thought I did well taking my break even point and kind of avoiding the chop as much as possible. Yesterday was pretty choppy too. Unfortunately, I kind of got caught up in that. I didn't take a trade yesterday, so this is truly my first day taking a trade on the account. So yeah, it's kind of what I wanted to go through. I'll show you my profit. So um, just make sure I'm not exposing anything here. I don't think I am. Let me just double check. Yeah, I think I'm good. So here, I yeah, like I said, made 100. I made a little bit of profit at that 1 hour mark. It equated to $181. I took two. It says two trades today, just because I took partials at that 1 hour location, and then I got closed out at the rest of my position at break even. So yeah, be back tomorrow. Looks like tomorrow is going to be a decent day of with some news, unemployment claims and stuff. So hopefully price action is moving a little bit better then. But yeah, thanks for watching.